Hey everyone, it's Coach here. I'm here at Giant preparing for our after-school culinary class. This is one of my favorite things to do as it truly gives me the opportunity to equip kids with the skills that will last a lifetime. Teaching them how to cook healthy meals on a budget and then giving them the opportunity to do it with their friends is something that they'll remember forever. Let's check it out. So we got some green peppers and some red peppers here. Today we're going to be doing a chicken meatball Hawaiian sweet roll slider, right? And so these green peppers and onions are going to add some intense flavor to our dish. So let's check out the recipe we're going to get. So it's gonna be kind of sweet, zesty, you know, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I think y'all are gonna like it, all right? So the first is gonna be a kind of a three-step process. The first step is chopping up all of the peppers and onions, small as you can, sauteing them up so they're soft, and then that's going to go into the chicken. Ground chicken is very lean, so it doesn't have a lot of fat, so you need to add some moisture. So that's what the vegetables does, that's what the cheese that you're gonna add does, and then we're gonna bind that with breadcrumbs. You're gonna put all that together and then make meatballs, okay? Each of you is gonna make 3 meatballs out of your thing. You're gonna get 3 sliders, and you're gonna put them in there. I'll show you, the next step for that. But, so everybody go ahead, cut that open, pour that into your bowl. Using their quarter cup, the same amount that was in there. Use the leverage, that's why it's curved. It's good, it's good. So kind of like that, yeah, maybe it's half of that. While they're cooking, you're going to be cutting open some of your things. I'm going to have y'all do a couple things at the same time. Way on there. You're not going to get burned. Just, if not, you're going to find yourself smashing your meatball up, all right? So use a spoon, use a finger, and then just flip.
Use a spoon, can't we just pick it up?
Whoa, being aggressive.
That's a little risky.
No, don't do that. Just use a spoon, okay? You're going to flip every minute, so y'all got about 30 seconds left, okay? No. Okay, make sure your heat is on medium. It shouldn't be all the way. You got him, Ryan?
Yeah, I got it.
I might have 32.
I thought you just gave me one. I just kidding.
You cut the whole thing out?
Yes.
Straight through? Hey.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Why not got ahead of me? Is there any more Parmesan?
Sure.
Oh, great. Too bad, Brian.
You have to decorate. Look at that. Oh yeah, what about Carol?
I got her. Let me just turn this on real quick.
Pass me a pen. Don't wash all the way.
All money shots. There they are. All right, so it went in.
I want to put foil on
I need somebody to move their road. Oh yeah.
Here's a piece of oil.
Why you take
Look at you, cuz. Look at you.
Piece of foil.
video.
There you go.
Mine's looking next to the right hand.
Black people know how to keep that.
I enjoy that I could come after school for free to a place where I'm with my friends and people that I know, and we can cook, and it'll be fun, but it'll also be a good experience for me to learn a new skill that I'll be able to use and keep with me throughout the rest of my life. I think that it'll help me when if I move out, or even just now at home with my family, I can make dinner, or I can use it to experiment with my own dishes, just to have it as a skill to cook whenever I want, or for an event, or just in the future when I know I'll need it when I'm on my own.
I like how we get to do everything on our own, and we get to eat good food at the end. It can help me make dishes for myself, my family, and other people. And I can also start my own business.
Mostly the experience and how we cook foods and how we learn how to make foods. It also helps with, using utensils, working with oil, and all that good stuff. This is definitely going to help me with my cooking ability, my seasoning ability, working with condiments, all that good stuff.
That I'm cooking with friends, and that I'm building a relationship with different people, and I get to cook and try something new, because you gotta be healthy, and it also helps if you don't know how to cook, or if you don't know how to do something, you won't be able to do it in the future. So this is helping me now, so when I'm older or something, I can cook.